Hey everybody, Roger Levin here at the Dental Business Insight from Levin Group. Our subject is customer service. We recently had a client contact us to ask about a patient who had a crown in his mouth for 12 years, and when it failed, he wanted it to be replaced for free. His impression was, no pun intended, that crowns should last forever. In fact, he probably believes that dentistry should last forever. Now, the first thing I'm going to say as a dentist speaking to dentists is we foster that thought process. We don't tell a patient dentistry will last forever. We know that dentistry will not last forever, but we do give the impression that we're doing something that's going to be very long term. Now, most people don't come back at 12 years having to replace a crown and expect it for free, but nor am I shocked that it does happen periodically. At that point, you need to have a very honest, high-integrity conversation with the patient. You need to explain that dentistry, like car parts, like anything else, doesn't last forever. You can buy a Mercedes or BMW, you can get the greatest parts available, but they're still going to wear out, and his crown has worn out. On the other hand, from a customer service perspective, you could always offer a small discount, which is service-oriented. Everybody loves a discount. And in fact, that's exactly what they did, and it made the patient feel much better, and the patient is staying with the practice. We think, because he's having the crown redone at a small discount. As always, we wish you dental business success and increased practice production.